Yo, what's up, boys and girls? This is Pip Surfer, and we are going to do another Cowabunga system update. Today is March 12, 2008, and we had a crazy day in the cable today as it moved up and down, but unfortunately we weren't able to grab any trades. Today we're just going to go through it and see if you saw what I saw, and hopefully everything worked out okay. So let's dive right into it. First thing we're going to do is jump into our 4-hour chart. I have my 4-hour chart here on the right and my 15-minute chart on the left. So let's go ahead and take a look at our 4-hour chart. And what we're doing here, remember, is we're going to find our trend. So what I'm going to do is just move back the clock. And here our most recent candle is midnight. So this is when we are about to trade. And you can see that the most recent trend change candle is right here. And that is a downtrend. And that was made back on March 10th. So as we start the day off, we are starting looking for short trades. And if I move forward here, you'll see that here we have a new trend change candle. You can see that there was a moving average crossover. Stochastics is above 50 and stochastics are trending up. So that is a valid trend change candle. This candle was formed from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So within that time, we are actually still looking for short trades. It isn't until after this candle closes at 8 a.m. that we officially have a new trend and can start looking for trades in the other direction. So I know there's been confusion with that. So just remember that the new trend doesn't take place until the candle actually forms. So until 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're looking for short trades. And then after 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're looking for long trades. And you can see that the trend remained up for the rest of the day. All right, so now that we've determined our trend, we'll go to our 15-minute chart here. And again, I'm going to zoom back time and start it right around midnight, which is when I start looking for trades. Okay. And the first thing we're going to do before we start any trading is we're going to take a look at what news events we have for the day. So I'm going to pull up my handy dandy Baby Pips economic calendar. And we'll see that today we had trade balance at 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so that's probably about the only one that'll make any difference there on our trade. So we want to watch out for that time right there around 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so I'll go ahead and get rid of my chart and we'll start the day. It's midnight, moving along. And remember, we're looking for short trades right now. And you can see that nothing is going our way right yet. Okay, and here we have a crossover. You can see indicated by the purple candle, and remember the purple candles mean that the moving averages have crossed over to the short side. So now this kind of wakes me up, and let's see if we, if the other indicators match up, and let's see if we got a signal. So we'll look and we see RSI, it's less than 50, good. We got stochastics trending down, good. But what's this? MACD is already negative. If you look at the candle before, you can see that MACD had already switched to negative at that time. That was at the 315 candle. So by the time our signal was there, MACD was already negative, and this cancels out the signal, and we do not enter. So I did not take this trade. Hopefully you didn't either. It's just one of those things. Hopefully our indicators matched up. But according to my charts, it was not a valid signal, and I did not enter. So I keep moving on. And we'll see that if you did happen to enter that trade, then you probably would have gotten some pips there, which is good. Let's see. Okay, now here we start to see that price starts to move up pretty big, pretty heavily. And by the way, our news candle, I totally missed it, was right here, 5:30. So it didn't really do much. But afterwards, you can see that the price started to move. And here we go. We're now starting to get into the US session. And so here, let me back up. This is our 8 o'clock candle. right here. So from this point on, I know that there's a lot of bullish movement. So at this point, what I would have done is look back at our 4-hour chart, and I would have seen this right here. I would have seen that a new trend change candle had formed, and now that our the trend has changed, we are now looking only for long trades. So at this point, I would know that I'm only going to be looking for long trades. So as I keep moving forward, I'm looking for anything. The trend is already up. Movement has already been up, so we're not getting any signals. We'll see that price consolidated a little bit around there, but still no cross, no retracement, no dips, nothing for us to get back in it. And we'll see that pretty much we were done for the day. So it's a lot of watching. I don't like watching, but you know, then again, I only like jumping in when I'm pretty sure that we have a good signal, and I just didn't get that today. So yeah, it was boring. Forced to just sit on our computer and watch the markets, but that's how it goes sometimes. You just gotta take it and grab it when the opportunity arises, and you know, if it doesn't, then just sit back and relax and take it easy. That's what I like to do. But that's pretty much it for today. If you have any questions, leave some comments. I'll try to get to them if I can. Got a lot of stuff going on, and you can also ask other traders on the forums. Everybody's been really helpful, so I'm glad to see you guys helping each other out. And that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, and hopefully we can catch some pips. All right, peace.